I'm at my factory, you can see, and our workers are making your hair for our customer. Okay, I will show you our hair.
I will
Here
show
is
you some.
your hair,
Yeah. This is our cover.
virgin hair.
Frontal.
You see?
Bond shape frontal.
Okay, here is the order from our customer from Brazil, and we are about to ship to Brazil for our customer. It's a buck hair, blonde color, 613. See?
Light color bond shape. Highlight.
Here is the how to make hair for our customer. Our workers is making hair for you. You can see.
Yeah, ombre color.
So here they are making wave for our customer.
I link in my video.
Okay, Christmas is coming, and processing hair takes time. And don't hesitate to wait, because we cannot make hair for you on time. Just contact me to get best deal right now. Thank you.